Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Blender versus Fusion 360 for 3D printing. Both tools are extremely popular, but they serve very different audiences. Blender is a free, open-source 3D creation suite known for modeling, sculpting, animation, and rendering. It's a favorite among artists, hobbyists, and even professionals who want creative freedom. While Blender wasn't originally designed for CAD, many makers use it to create organic models and artistic 3D prints. Fusion 360, developed by Autodesk, is a professional CAD software. It's built for precision engineering, product design, and manufacturing workflows. Unlike Blender, it's parametric, meaning you can easily adjust dimensions and constraints to get exact results. Now let's go feature by feature and see which one works better for your 3D printing projects. Type: Blender is an open-source mesh modeler. It shines in organic modeling, sculpting, and artistic designs. For example, if you want to create a character, a figurine, or a decorative vase, Blender gives you the flexibility to mold shapes however you like. Fusion 360, on the other hand, is a parametric CAD program. That means every design element is based on parameters like length, width, and angle. This makes it perfect for mechanical parts, prototypes, or anything that needs precise dimensions and functionality. Cost: Blender is completely free and open source, which makes it accessible to everyone, hobbyists, students, or professionals who don't want to spend on software. You also get free updates, community-driven plugins, and a massive support community. Fusion 360 has a tiered model. If you're a hobbyist, student, or educator, you can get it for free with limited features. But for full professional access, including advanced simulation and manufacturing tools, you'll need a paid subscription. Learning curve: Blender has a steep learning curve because it's packed with tools for animation, rendering, sculpting, and more. If you're focused on precision modeling, it takes extra effort to get things accurate. However, once you get used to it, Blender gives unmatched creative control. Fusion 360 is usually easier to learn for functional modeling because its parametric workflow is straightforward. If you know the measurements of a part, you just input them and Fusion automatically maintains those constraints. This makes it beginner-friendly for engineers or anyone creating parts that need to fit together perfectly. Precision: Blender's precision is somewhat limited. While you can enter exact dimensions, it's not parametric, so making changes later is manual and time-consuming. For instance, resizing a hole in a model often means remaking part of the mesh. Fusion 360 excels in parametric precision. Every feature is dimension-based, and you can go back in your timeline and tweak a single number to update the entire model. This is essential for engineering parts like gears, brackets, or casings where tolerances matter. Best for: Blender is best for sculpting, figurines, props, and artistic projects. If you're making a dandy miniature, cosplay props, or decorative items for your home, Blender is perfect. It lets you sculpt freely without worrying about strict measurements. Fusion 360 is best for mechanical and functional prints. If you're creating machine parts, enclosures for electronics, or prototypes that must fit together with real-world components, Fusion is the right choice. It's built to handle technical projects where accuracy can't be compromised. 3D print tools: Blender includes a 3D print toolbox add-on, which helps check for common print issues like non-manifold edges, wall thickness, and mesh errors. However, since Blender models are mesh-based, you may need to spend extra time cleaning them up before slicing. Fusion 360 by design creates solid, watertight models. Its parametric structure ensures that the models are clean and print-ready. You'll spend less time fixing errors, and exporting STL or OBJ files is seamless. For people who want efficiency, Fusion is often faster for preparing 3D print models. Collaboration: Blender is mostly a standalone tool. You can save files locally and share them, and while there are plugins for collaboration, it's not natively built for team projects. Strength lies more in individual creativity and open-source community contributions. Fusion 360 is part of the Autodesk ecosystem, so it comes with cloud storage, built-in version control, and collaboration tools. Teams can work on the same project, keep track of changes, and share updates easily. For professional environments, this is a big advantage. That's it for today's comparison. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more 3D printing content, and let me know in the comments which one do you prefer, Blender or Fusion 360.